This dance is called Cabo San Lucas. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on our left foot. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight on the right. Chassé to the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps, left, close, left. Cross rock, right over left, recover your weight on the left. You're now going to shuffle forward on the right, but we're going to do a quarter turn to start with. So a quarter turn right, as you step forward on the right, feet together, step the right forward. 1 and 2 count timing steps on that bit as well. Cross rock, off on the left, that section once more. 7, 8, cross rock, left chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself half a turn to the right. Into a rocking chair, rock forward on the left, rock back on the left. And add on a left shuffle, 1 and 2 count timing steps, left, close, left. So that section once more then. Step pivot off on the left. 7, 8, step, pivot, rocking chair, left shuffle. So let's add those 2 sections together. Cross rock, left over right, left foot leading. 7, 8, cross rock, left chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle. Step, pivot, rocking chair, left shuffle. Now there is the equivalent of a 3/4 turn in that's joining those 2 sections. So do try and do the turns where possible, how they are choreographed. Dances always look so much better when they've actually got the turns in. But if for whatever reason you are struggling with that 3/4 turn, there is an alternative set of steps. So you start off the same as everybody else. You cross rock, you chassé to the left, you cross rock right over left and recover. Instead of doing that quarter shuffle, just chassé to the right, side, close, side. Then instead of doing the step pivot, you're going to rock back on the left. As you recover your weight, you turn a quarter left, so you're now facing 9 o'clock, same direction as everybody else. You can then go into your rocking chair and your left shuffle. So it's an alternative set of steps. Should you need to take that 3/4 of a turn out, but please do try and do it, if you can. So from that left shuffle, rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on the left. We're going to do a half shuffle turn over our right shoulder, quarter, close, quarter, 1 and 2 count timing steps, quarter, close, quarter. 2 skates, so you're going to skate left, skate right. So just pretend you've got your ice skates or your roller skates on and you're travelling. Skate, skate, and left shuffle. So that section once more then, rocking forward on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle. Let's add that to the top. Cross rock, left over right. 7, 8, cross rock, left chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle, step, pivot, rocking chair, left shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. Shuffle forward on the right, right, close, right. Cross the left over the right, step the right back. Step a very small step to the left on the left, as you sway to the left, sway to the right, and you start the dance all over again. So that last section then, stepping forward on the right, step, pivot, right shuffle. 7, 8, step, pivot, right shuffle, cross, back, sway, sway. Let's put it all together. Cross rock, left over right. 7, 8, cross rock, left chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle, step, pivot, rocking chair, left shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, step, pivot, right shuffle, cross, back, sway, sway. Hello, Paul. So that is your dance, but it is a four-wall dance. So let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Cross rock, left over right. 7, 8, cross rock, left chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle, step, pivot, rocking chair, left shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, step, pivot, right shuffle, cross, back, sway, sway, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, rock, turn shuffle, step, pivot, rocking chair, left shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, step, pivot, right shuffle, cross, back, sway, sway, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, rock, turn shuffle, step, pivot, rocking chair, left shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, step, pivot, right shuffle, cross, back, sway, sway. So that is your dance and your walk through. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8, cross rock, left chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle, step, pivot, rocking chair, left shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, skate, skate, right shuffle, step, pivot, right shuffle, cross, back, sway, sway, cross rock, left chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle, step, pivot, rocking chair, left shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, skate, skate, right shuffle, step, pivot, right shuffle, cross, back, sway, sway, cross rock, left chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle, step, pivot, rocking chair, left shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, step, pivot, right shuffle, cross, back, sway, sway, cross rock, left chassé, cross rock, turn shuffle, step, pivot, rocking chair, left shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, step, pivot, right shuffle, cross back, sway, sway, cross rock,
Cabo San
step,
Lucas,
pivot, forward rock,
Pacifico's great, tequila is too. I've got it all going on, but I ain't got you.
cross rock,
Cabo San Lucas. Yeah, I know it sounds crazy, but I bought a guitar. And I'm singing my songs downtown in a bar. You can come with a friend, you can come by yourself. You can sleep here with me, I ain't got nobody else. In Cabo San Lucas. I'll show you the stars and the moon on the sea of Cortez. And the beach at San Juan is the sun sinking down in the west. I'm leaving you this message, and if you give it down, and you wanna call me Cabo San Lucas, way down in Mexico, way down in Cabo.
Hope you managed that one.